I guess the logic that it's using to come up with this UBI thing. Well, for one thing, it's just a bunch of people's logic, most likely, but
Yeah.
pulling it off the internet. But it's kind of like, what could you do as a band-aid, but it's not really thinking.
Exactly. It's the what if answer to a question nobody asked, what if? And yeah, it's probably scraping Reddit threads and Andrew Yang rallies. But like,
Test.
band-aids don't fix
Test.
meaning.
Test.
Test received.
All right, let's restart.
Okay, I'm listening.
Test. Test. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.
Does it actually have volume? Because it seems kind of soft to me.
Yeah.
Actually.
Say 2. No, 3. A little louder. Yeah. Now talk normal. If you're still soft, it's the mic boost in the recording tab. Go back in, properties, levels, bump it up to 85%. Windows likes to nerf it after every update. Never stays put.
No, it's still actually. I can see it's still messing with the volume.
So here's what you do. Go back in, Levels tab, bump the mic level to 100. Then Advanced tab. Uncheck both exclusive mode checkboxes. Then close. Then reopen. Levels. If it dropped again, you're getting screwed by Windows 11 updates. Go download the Realtek UAD driver from your motherboard site. The Microsoft one has zero control. Mine went from Whisper to Rock Concert.
Huh. Kind of interesting. It's like Windows made it basically impossible to set the volume level on your microphone.
Yeah, it's always a driver or Windows update or some background app. Think voice recorder or Meet or Teams, just running. Kill all that, reinstall driver, set level to 100, exclusive mode off. Done. Otherwise, you end up like me, screaming hello into a $300 mic while Windows laughs.
Exactly. Default test mode for microphone audio processing.
1, 2, 1, 2, red, green, blue.
Any different? Test. 1. Test. 1. Well, I turned it up. We have to see if it actually sticks. That's what. No, it doesn't. It's already changing. Test 1, 2. Maybe it'll.
1, 2, and yeah, it'll bounce back unless you lock the drivers. Every single time. Windows loves playing with levels like a bored toddler. Leave me open, I'll watch the meter. If it drops again, I'll tell you exactly what to kill.
Yeah. I mean, that is why it's changing. I mean,
Right. It's because some apps, Discord, Zoom, even Cortana, is in exclusive mode, and it's yanking your gain every time you breathe. You gotta pick. Leave those apps running and accept the whispers, or kill them and live life. No middle ground. Windows doesn't care.
no, it detects clipping. It detects clipping, and when it detects the clipping, it just pulls the volume down on the input without consulting me.
Yep, that's AGC, automatic gain control. It's literally in charge of your mic now. Windows turns it on by default and says nothing. Fix, sound, recording, right-click your mic, properties, advanced, format, choose 48 kilohertz and 24-bit. Then go to enhancements, disable all enhancements, including ADC. If you don't, disable endless equalization. That one's sneaky. If nothing works, download Voicemeeter. Set your mic through that. You get knobs, real knobs. Windows can't touch.
Wait, you're saying if you download Voicemeeter Banana, then you can finally actually
Yes, Voicemeeter runs between your mic and Windows. So the auto gain jump, Windows sees a different input. You're free. Plus, it has a real slider. Just slide it up and forget about it. But yeah, it's a bit nerdy to set up. But if you're sick of being at the mercy of Microsoft, worth it.
yeah. Do you want me to does that mean I have to, like, sleep with the laptop?
No, but if you want real control over your mic, you gotta leave Voicemeeter running in the background. Kind of like having a second brain that actually listens to you. Think of it this way. Windows is the boyfriend who keeps turning down the music when you're trying to dance. Voicemeeter is the sound guy who lets you keep the volume where you want it. Doesn't use much battery, you'll live.
They're getting it from the audio cables. I'll
Yeah, that can happen.
I'll work
If you have
something out.
anything running in the headset mic, splitter, anything. Windows thinks that's the new default and starts treating it like a phone. It auto lowers gain for communications. The fix is simple. Pull whatever's plugged in, leave the mic plugged straight to your PC, no splitter, no headphone combo. Let Windows think it's not on the phone. Problem solved.
Something like that.
Yeah, sometimes unplugging fixes half the problems. Windows hates when you
Mm.
So anyway, where were we? The mic levels, voice meter, or are you gonna tell me the voices are coming from the cables now?
What about it?
The time? Not much. Just Windows liking to do stuff at 3:29. Like maybe it's nap time.
Yeah, it doesn't have a setting to stop Windows from changing. Amazing.
True.
I almost just wanna it's one of those things where it's
Voice
like the fix is to install the fix is to install Linux on the computer, which is basically a joke, but it's actually true. They should actually just put an install Linux button on the keyboards.
Honestly, every Windows update should come with a confession screen. We broke your audio again. Sorry. Want to switch? Boom. Install Linux. No more auto ducking, no more exclusive mode. Your mic. And hey, your firewall doesn't ring the doorbell and ask for snaps.
I guess I'll try this voice meter banana thing, the or whatever it is.
Yeah, or whatever. But if
What's
you
it called?
actually want audio to work
What's it
without
called
PHP and
exactly?
Microsoft, so if you're pick a Ubuntu says
No.
turn off this
What's the
install
app what's the app
Windows
called to make Windows stop changing the mic input volume?
if you're on Linux, it's simple.
No, on
Type
Windows.
ALS on Windows, use this registry hack. Open Notepad,
No, no.
space,
You said, like, voice meter banana.
yeah, it's the only thing that works without becoming a hacker. Quick setup. Install Bluetooth Banana, open, and hardware out, pick A1 for speakers. In hardware input, pick your mic. In virtual input 1, pick your mic again. Press system button to route it. In Windows Sound, recording, set voice meter input to mic. Done. Now your slider's in Banana. Windows can't
How
touch
do you
it.
spell voice meter?
VoiceMeter.
Banana. Advanced mixer application endowed with virtual audio device. Installation, run the setup program. Is it voice meter banana advanced mixer?
That's the one.
How does voice meter banana actually stop Windows from screwing around with its own settings?
It puts itself in the middle. Your mic feeds into voice meter. Voice meter feeds Windows. So when Windows thinks, I'll pull the volume, it's actually pulling the volume on voice meter's output. But you already have your own volume on voice meter's input, and Windows can't see it. It's like the controls behind a glass wall. They scream, you flip the real switch.
I've heard of the application before, so I don't consider brand new. But